It's Brian Preston, the money guy.
This next question is from Mary. She says, would you recommend a target retirement index fund in a taxable brokerage account or just in tax deferred and tax advantaged accounts? It sounds like Mary has heard us talk about tax location and some of the benefits that exist there. So her question is, well, does it make sense to hold that in a taxable account because of the types of holdings that it has?
Yeah, I think while you're saving and starting out, I'm talking about accounts before you really get to 400,000 to 500,000 in assets, total assets. I'm talking about all your buckets together. Yeah, don't sweat the small stuff. Don't outsmart yourself. Focus on an index target retirement fund in all the different pots. I'm okay if you're buying that in your Roth IRA. I'm okay if you're buying it in your after tax. I'm okay if you're buying it in your 401k and even HSA on the assets that you're letting work.
Yep.
Where it runs into issues is once you graduate past, you get to $500, $600 million in assets. Yeah, you want to graduate beyond index target retirement funds because now you need a little more customization. You're a little more sophisticated where you want to be able to harvest losses in your taxable accounts. You want to be able to do charitable contributions and really hit the most appreciated assets that you can give away. You want to start focusing on the bucket strategy of asset location, of putting, like your tax deferred, your ordinary income producing assets like bonds and your tax deferred, your growth assets in your Roth, and then your dividend paying and your liquid assets in your after tax. All that comes into place in the sophistications there, but don't sweat that stuff until you built up a level. And that's where, guys, this is why I love the beauty of what we've created here with the Money Guy Show. We know we give it away to you with the advice, because when you get to all those things I just mentioned on when you've outgrown the index target retirement funds, that's where the abundance cycle comes in. You're going to say, holy cow, there's a lot more stuff than I ever thought would need to go into this, what is perceived as a simple decision. Maybe I need a co-pilot, and that's when hopefully you'll consider working with a financial advisor, and we work with people all across the country.